Hello, welcome to my unboxing of the Reebok Ghostbuster Ecto boot. These pair of Reebok, I think they look like basketball shoes, but they could be cross-trading shoes, but they are high top or mid, and they are inspired by the Ghostbuster Afterlife movie that came out sometime in 2021, and the boot or the shoes were released in October 13, 2021. Let's take a look at the box. So the box is kind of funny. It says pump it up, but it says bust it up, kind of graffiti. And then you can see the pump logo, and they drew over the Ghostbuster sign over it. Let's talk more busting. Okay, so I should do let's talk more unboxing. So these are model number HO3298 Ecto boot, made in Vietnam. The colorway is called Color Cold Gray 6, and what's the other one? TGR Gray 8. Well, here are the informations here, and so here at the back here it shows disclaimer: Go Smasher, do not pump, they smash. Coincidentally, there are another pair of Ghostbuster Reebok called the Ghostbuster Smasher, and those are based on the Alien Stomper. Anyway, so we'll open up the box. You see these parchment paper, nicely wrapped, not destroyed. Nobody moved it. I love it. And this looks like the map from the movie, a replica of it. So let's take a look. I mean, they really printed a bunch of these. Oh, so there's another set of parchment paper. Ooh, that wraps around it. So many paper, so much paper. Whoa! These are awesome. Oh my goodness, they look big. They look bigger than size 8. Shoot. Wow. Wow. Let me take this one out. And then the other one. I don't know if I can put it back together. There's the map. If you watched the movie, I haven't watched it yet, so I don't know the story. Wow, look at that design. So let me place them here and here. The tag on. Okay. I tried them on and making sure that these are the size 8 I want, and they are size 8. It's just that they look huge because look at how thick that sole is. It's this much sticked out from the back, and from the top this much is sticking out. So it's a pretty chunky shoe. But wow, I like these TPU heel plate that they were talking about, and then at the top here you have a neoprene collar. Yeah, just like nylon stuff. And inside, the insole, I don't know if you can see it. The insole says, can you see it? Can you see it? Ecto boot, engineered by Reebok, 3052021. Don't know what that means. So look at the tag. Due to the unique nature of the fine leather and suede, there may be occasions when minor color transfer occurs, especially in wet condition. I don't know where the leather is. Oh, okay. I see it. So this gray part, kind of fuzzy, feels like suede, but it could be nubuck, leather. Oh, so that's pretty cool. This area is also leather. So that's just the only leather there is. And yeah, leather and suede. So that's the suede. When wet, it's best to keep this product from touching another light colored product. Okay, that's fine. Yada yada yada. Oh, it's running. It's running. Course a pied. What does that mean? So these are more like cross trainer shoes to begin with. You can see that DMX, and then you got the Reebok logo at the back over here at the heel. Wow, and look at the bottom. All these are sticking out. Like the black sole aren't even touching the ground. It's the yellow part that is touching the ground or the floor. Wow, this thing looks like a spaceship, right? Maybe like Ghostbuster 2064. The shoe lacing system is supposedly quick or speed lace system. It's already laced up for you, so you don't have to lace them. Well, I don't think you can relace them because it's in a loop. It's already in a loop, and there's no Velcro to get it out. Nothing. And it kind of hang around like this. If you tie it tight enough, then it would just sticks out very long. Then you have this medial toe cap area with a kind of a plastic material to protect your toe. They supposedly call it abrasive resistance. Yeah, the front part looks like it's for running. And then, yeah, you can Google DMX. So it's just some kind of foam that has 2 layers. The top layer is softer, where the bottom layer just make it more sturdy. So I'm gonna just leave it here. So I don't know, in this video with my camera set up, it's kind of like a little bluish, but maybe it isn't. But yeah, it's a kind of cool gray. Maybe that's why it has that blue tint to it. But depends on what time of the day, whether you have out in the sun. I'm just using all these white lights LCD, so it looks very gray, but in the camera it looks a little bluish. So I think these parts are kind of called the cold blue, and then cold gray, and then the other one is, I don't know, top gray. So there is this, kind of Jordan or type of spring clamp. Yeah, you can't really take it out, but this is just fine. Sorry, I don't know if my camera is on target, but I'm gonna have some close shots, and I don't know why I have these fuzzy. What is this fuzzy area? Oh, mine has this kind of fussed up, so hide that. No problem, nobody sees it. But these are pretty cool, and these are reflective kind of material. So you can kind of run at night. So this is, yeah, this is like a running shoes. So yeah, mixed upper fabric, mixed upper inner outsole, it's mixed material. I think they weigh less than a pound, maybe, I don't know, 12 grams. I'm gonna leave these shoes alone and swim them in later on. Well, this design is really cool. Never seen any other pair of Reebok running shoes nor basketball shoes looks like this. The coolest, outrageous design that I've found online or where Reebok made is called the Reebok Breezy and DMX Illusion Advanced Mid, and those are pretty cool looking, futuristic looking sneakers, and these are totally awesome. These are, I wonder why there's still a lot of these in stock. I mean, wouldn't they be sold out quick? But I guess price wise, manufacturer suggested retail price $180. It's a little bit high, but if you can buy them on sale, it's not too bad. Yeah, I want to get 2 pairs. One for wearing, one for collecting. Yeah, hopefully my camera setup is, you can see them well enough. I'm gonna have the slideshow coming up after this, but let me know what you guys think and how did they come up with this design. Any idea how they got this design? I mean, it's nothing like Ghostbuster, dude. Like, nothing. Seriously. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.